In front of me is POCO F8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can connect it to printer. First of all, go into Settings and tap on More Connectivity Options right away. Now select Printing. Click on System Printing Service Xiaomi Home or any other service you have and wanna use. They all turn on the same way. Make sure this switcher is blue and wait. Your device is now looking for a printer, and when it finds one, it will connect to it. Quick tip: if you still can't connect, enable print service and wait for 3 dots at the bottom to show up. When they do, click on them, hit Add Printer, and if your printer supports Wi-Fi Direct printing, use gray switcher to turn it on. Hit Allow to make it work. Tap on Find Wi-Fi Direct printers and let your POCO scan for them. You can also hit Add Printer by IP address, input it manually, and hit Add. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!